Hi, I'm Lecia Grossman, and I'm the founder of the zAmya Theater Project. And recently, zAmya Theater Project was asked to participate and help facilitate a conversation and forum in downtown Minneapolis that was sponsored by the downtown congregation on ending homelessness. We had to look at how are we going to engage this group, which we had no idea how large it would be, in having intrapersonal, interpersonal, and a group experience. In looking at the whole systems leadership module, I went through that and said, how can we use this information to be able to help us design the right questions, create an environment that would allow for diverse conversation, and to really allow an emergent system to happen, and finally, to really help the group embrace the uncertainty of the entire event. Reading that diversity is creativity actually helped open up for us too that these ways that we were using to create conversation that were very diverse were actually what would be the most stimulating for creativity. People that were coming to this forum had very different experiences with panhandling, had different opinions about it, and many people were looking at it as a problem, while it's actually a symptom of a larger problem. We asked participants as they walked into the event to write down what they believed was the problem that created panhandling as something that happens on the streets. So the question that we actually ended up using, we went back and used the information from whole systems leadership. It's like, what makes a real good, powerful question? And tried to design them throughout the event. How we asked the audience to listen to understand, and that they didn't have to agree. So setting that stage and the conditions for people to have a very different experience than who's right and who's wrong, and how are we going to solve this today in this moment. Some people that were coming to the event expected a Q&A panel discussion. And for those people, for some, it was so divergent from a panel because they were actually having to participate that some actually left. And other people, especially the people that coordinated the event, this was very an uncertain situation for them also because they had never done anything like this before. They said that it was such an innovative way and that people talked to each other in ways that they wouldn't have normally talked because we had them up and moving around and working in groups, and we set the conditions for them to see that they are the solution and that we weren't standing up going to give them an answer.